Right, good morning, guys. How's it going? So, one of my church members just called me, said he invested into Forsage, and he also put money in Million Money and the rest. And without wasting time, I just told him you lost your money. See, we've gone past that stage where we try to sweet talk you or sweet mouth you about the wrong things you're doing. See, one thing about learning about online investments is that you will always pay to learn. You will either pay with your ignorance or you will pay a lower fee to learn the main thing. Let me give an example. If I want to charge you for consultancy when it comes to making online business, I will not charge you more than $20 to learn how to make legit money online, right? But this guy paid $150 to join, is it Forsage? See, whether I like it or not, that money is gone. There are two ways you can get that money back. Number one, deceive two other persons to join. Or number two, just wait, and if someone mistakenly joins, you take your money and cash out.
It's 9 o'clock.
Forsage, Million Money, all those shit are scams. Okay, let me not call them scams. That's what they are. They are scams, right? You see, now you would have saved yourself about $130 by just giving Sam $20. Sam, take the $20, show me the legitimate ways to make money with cryptocurrency. But now you've gone to put $150 in Forsage. Congratulations, bro. You know what I'm saying?